Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount a Wahoo Elemnt computer onto a Canyon Aerocockpit mount for Garmin. These are the tools you will need. This is a 3D printed part from Shapeways you can order, and the Torx Allen key that came with the original mount from Canyon, and then either some M3 metric 3mm threaded nuts, a hex shape or square shape. Both would work. I designed the mount that way. So first of all, you need to prepare the mount by inserting these nuts into it. So give it a gentle push. You can help it in by using a piece of pencil, and that's it. And as you can see, there's another slot over there, which you can insert another nut, and here. So because you can't 3D print a reliable thread joint, so yeah, just get those. It's really cheap. And then you need to prepare the Garmin mount. Now this mount came in as this, and you can remove this part and turn it 90 degrees to mount the element, but there's a catch. The thing is, if you do that, you will have to either drill holes here or move this backwards, as I'm doing right now. Just use the tool to unscrew, and then you can put it to here and put the screws here. But then that means your computer would be very much backwards, and then that would interfere with these corners, and every time you mount it on, it's going to kind of scratch a little bit. And the Garmin mount is not perfectly designed for Wahoo mount, so it would be a bit fiddly. So the perfect solution is to get this, and you insert it here, as you can see, fit absolutely perfectly, and on the back insert the same screws. It goes in very easily. And these ones. So tighten it a little bit. Now you get a perfect mount for Wahoo computers on the Canyon Aerocockpit Garmin mount. That's a mouthful. And the benefit of this is you can now mount a Element bolt, which because of this part, if you have the mount backwards, it might interfere. And also, now if you insert this one, has to be the right direction though. That's a perfect fit.